Okay, to show you, I'm gonna show you first. Make sure you have the whole setup. So, you know, I set it to output 3 and 4. In my case, input 1 and 2. So I have the gear coming in. So I have the gear going out and I'm able to hear what comes in. Make sure that this red mark right here is checked or on. It's called arm to record. If you want, pro tip, right click, and then you'll be able to rename this one. So I'm gonna name this one accordingly. In the playlist, I want to highlight what I want to record. In this case, hit Control A, cool. Now you see over here, I don't want to record just to this end here. I actually do want to record to the last bar or the next bar over here. So I just right click and then I drag over there and I'm cool. If you need to take off the snap, hold the left alt button and you'll be able to take the snap off. But if you want the snap on, like in my case, I'm not holding the left alt button. So cool, I have my selection, it's from the beginning, and take note that I do have a little bit of gap space, that's how I like it, and then I'll trim it afterwards. So I got the highlighted selection, I have it in the insert, all that's left is to literally press record, hit play, and let it play throughout the whole thing. Before I hit play, I do want to say something. I have a F6 plugin inside of my input of the sound. That's because I want it to be affected before it goes into the gear. I'm gonna hit play and we're gonna fast forward through it. I guess if you want to have fun, just watch that little thing because I'll fast forward through it and it'll look fun. So press record. I'm taking off this timer because I don't like it, and I'll hit play, and by the time it gets to the end of the red, it's gonna stop itself. So I guess I'll show you my hands there now. So hit play and there's the sound. I forgot to hit play on this thing, so number's not going to be accurate, but whatever. Okay, as you see, my hands are here, so I didn't really hit spacebar, it stopped itself. But yeah, here is the waveform. This is your track that has the gear applied to it. It's pretty much like recording your vocals, right? But in the case, the gear is your speaker, your artist. The gear is your artist, and then you're recording the gear. Yeah. Be sure to double check your sound playback because there could be a chance that there would be a pop or a underrun in your sound depending on how well your computer specs are, as well as your audio interface. If you hear problems, like you hear pops, you hear clicks, close off every other program. Yes, Google Chrome as well. Leave FL as the only one. Perhaps raise your buffer size if you need to, and just overdub it or record over or record the whole thing over again. You'll be cool there too. Just double check for those pop sounds because it could be an issue. And since you guys are still here, thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I would do in this case. I would trim off the end or the beginning in this case, right? Right click. I'm gonna hit Control A. I'm gonna drag it back. I'm gonna go to the front here. I'm going to trim the end spot that I want or would like. And right here, I like a little bit of space afterwards. If you want, you could trim it to your liking. I also do like to go to the declicking and turn it to generic. That way we will have a fade out, so it won't like click or pop. By the way, it is 14.5 1.1 that the meter shows. Could you see this? Yeah, it shows backwards for me for some reason. I'm gonna make sure this is deselected by double clicking the top black here. That way we won't record the selected range, which in our case was a little bit extra, right? Oh yeah, from there, I'm gonna hit Control R. I'm gonna go find my save destination. Wave file, 32-bit float because I'm not finished like exporting it finally. I'm going to stereo, making sure that this is, it could be on cut remainder, it doesn't matter because there's no like reverb effect applied on here. So, it's pretty much the end of the waveform. It's going to cut after that. If you're scared, you can do leave remainder, right? You don't need to check this or have it unchecked. But if you do have something in the master, like a limiter, I don't know what the heck you're doing. But I don't have anything there, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit start. Let it do its export. And then I'm going to drag this file into Wavelab Pro 10. Now with Wavelab, I'm gonna go to the file that I exported, which is this one right here. Click it, drag it in, and just to show you, I'm gonna go to Analyze, Global Analysis, hit Analyze, and we'll see we do have 14.5 in the loudness. The peaks, good, perfect, 1.1, just like we've seen here. This way I could do like a little bit of tweaking if I want, so plus 0.15, hit apply, and it gets boosted by 0.15, right? So cool, 14.4, that's totally good for this song style that I wanted, which was pretty much dynamic. It was one of those feel-good songs. You listen for the lyrics. That's pretty much it right there on how you record the Hardware Gear NFL Studio. If you like the extra bonus at the end, I guess, I mean, thank you for watching. And if you guys and girls need mastering, don't feel afraid to hit your boy up, you know, JustinOmoe.com. And yeah, I'll see you guys and girls on the website. Yeah, see how I trapped y'all? Now y'all gotta go on the website, huh? Nah, but for real, it's your boy Justin Omoe. Like, subscribe, and yeah, peace. I'm out. Please have yourselves a damn good one.